This is the very popular Gatlinburg Inn in Gatlinburg in the Great Smoky Mountains. This inn was established in 1937, though it does have a haunting in it. One of its rooms hosts a demon. One time a man was staying in the room. He took a shower, felt sharp claws go down his back. When he got out of the shower, he looked in the mirror. He had blood and claw marks on his back. The priest was even called from the Catholic Church, not far from here, to do an exorcism. He tried twice, but was not successful, though the demon was never seen again.